I want to know the quantity of feed to feed my fish. I mean, measuring with cup. This is a question that somebody asked in the comment section, and I want to bring it up to you and then answer the question. You know, this issue of feeding. So many people are misunderstanding it. Sometimes you come and bring one cup. You are thinking how many cups of feed can you give them, maybe in the morning or in the afternoon. Well, in catfish farming is not always like that. You cannot determine the quantity of feed that they will eat at a particular time. Reason being because when you feed them in the morning, if you feed them in the morning, they might eat very well. Uh, they can finish this thing. Let's assume that you are giving them this thing in the morning, and what will satisfy them is this. Food this thing will satisfy them. If you come in the evening to feed them, they will not finish this. That is why it is difficult to determine the quantity of feed to feed your fish at a particular time. Do you understand? Because the one you fed them in the morning has not fully digested. So that is the reason why they will not finish the same quantity in the evening. Except you did not feed them to their satisfaction. If you feed them to their satisfaction in the morning, in the evening, they will not eat the same quantity. So for the person that asked the question and for people that are still confused the quantity of feed that they would feed the fish, don't measure your feed by cup. Just come with the feed as it is. Come with the bag. If you always watch my videos, I always come with the bag. So any quantity that we are able to eat at that moment, that's fine. Okay, I always tell you, feed your fish to their satisfaction. So always come with the feed your fish, feed them to their satisfaction, and you get a good result. If you underfeed your fish, you will get underweight fish. I can only tell you how many bags that you can feed a particular number of fish to get 1 kg. I can only tell you that. But to tell you how many cups of feed to, to feed your fish at a particular time, that is what cannot be determined. Okay, except you are not feeding your fish very well. I know some people, if they come, they have already made up their mind that this is what I will give my fish for today. If they like, get satisfied. If they like, don't satisfy. That is your own, sha. That's the way you want to train your own feed. But the thing is that you will not get the same result with somebody that is coming with the feed to feed them to their satisfaction. You will not get the same result. You get the point now. So always come with your feed. Now for the number of bags that we use to feed your fish up to 1 kg, I'm going to bring up that video. So many people have been asking me about that, and I've decided to bring it up. So in our next video, I'm going to show you how many bags that you can use to feed 500 fishes. So subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that when I bring up the video, you can be able to see it. Listen, let me tell you something. What I'm going to give you is what I practice, not what I got from anywhere, not what I searched from internet, not what somebody taught me. This is my experience based on what I have experienced so far. So that is what I'm going to bring up to you. I always tell you people that what I will tell you is what is my own method, and I know my method has been excellent. Some of you that have been following me on this channel will attest to that, because I show you practically, clearly everything that I'm doing. In my last set of fish, I show you from beginning to the end. The highest weight that I achieved on that set was 3.5 kg. So I show you everything. Do you understand? So if you continue to follow up in this channel, you are going to learn a lot of things. And remember, before you start catfish farming, learn it very well. I will always be saying this. Some people are deceiving themselves that they are doing catfish. You see that your neighbor is doing catfish, you jump, bam, want to go and do catfish. learning. Thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing. See you in that video. Bye bye.